So students, as in second exercise, to solve the second exercise, we need to learn the values of trigonometric ratios for some particular angles. I will give the explanation of these values also. Firstly, we'll learn these values. We'll try to understand the value, and you need to learn this value because question based on this particular value means you need to learn all these values. So firstly, so there are the some standard value जिसके लिए तुम्हें learn करना है for 0 degree, for 30 degree, for 45 degree, for 60 degree, and for 90 degree. So sin theta, if theta is 0 means sin 0 is equal to 0. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 2 half. Sin 45, what is sin 45? 1 upon root 2. And sin for 60 degree, sin 60 degree, this value is root 3 upon 2. And sin 90, 1. ये slowly increasing value है. 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, more than half. And then root 3 upon 2, this is greater than that. And last is 1. And cos value. The value of cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Cos 45, 1 upon root 2. Cos 60, 1 upon 2. And cos 90, 0. Look here. Cos 0 is 1. Sin 91, cos 0, 1. Cos 30 is equal to sin 60, root 3 upon 2. Cos 45, sin 45, same, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2. Cos 60 is equal to sin 30, 1 upon 2. And cos 90 is equal to sin 0, that is 0. Means just इसका opposite यहाँ से 1, root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2 and 0. In this way you can learn, you can prepare the table also. And then you need to learn the values. Next for tan. If you remember, I was explained tan theta is the ratio of sin theta upon sin theta and cos theta. So tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So 0 upon 1. So tan 0 क्या हुआ 0. 0 by 1 is 0. Next tan 30 1 upon 2 को root 3 upon 2 से divide कर दो. Correct ना? So क्या मिलेगा 2 cancel. You will get 1 upon root 3. Next tan 45 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 upon root 2 same है तो क्या मिला 1. Next tan 60 and tan 60 is sin 60 by cos 60. ये देखो 2 कैंसिल हुआ root 3 upon 1 you will get root 3. And next tan 90 1 upon 0, you know 1 upon 0 यहाँ तो 0 upon 1 था जो 0 हो गया. And 1 upon 0 that is called not defined value. This is called not defined. So therefore this is not defined. इसको हम infinite भी बोलते हैं. Not defined. Not defined. This is not defined बोलते हैं या फिर हम सिंबल में ये नोट कर देते हैं not defined. ये undefined values है. 1 upon 0. When 1 is divided by 0, think why. If I will divide 1 by 0, so 0 का हम टेबल करेंगे. 0 into 1000, 0. 0 into 10,000, then also 0. 0 into 10 lakhs, then also 0. So कितना भी हम larger value. So that's why it is called not defined या infinite. Okay. Next cot theta. And what is cot theta? Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So ये tan का reciprocal है. तो reciprocal means 0 का reciprocal क्या होगा 1 upon 0. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे not defined value. Not defined. Okay. Not defined या फिर हम ऐसा सिंबल यहाँ देते हैं. एंड देखो इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या हुआ रूट 3, करेक्ट ना. एंड 1 का रेसिप्रोकल 1, रूट 3 का रेसिप्रोकल 1 अपॉन रूट 3. एंड स्टूडेंट्स 1 अपॉन इनफाइनाइट, ये जो रेसिप्रोकल होता है इनफाइनाइट का, दिस टेंड्स टू 0, ये 0 होता है बिकॉज 1 इज वेरी मच स्मॉलर नंबर कंपेयर्ड टू इनफाइनाइट. अब हम 1 को इनफाइनाइट से डिवाइड करें, हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या मिलेगा 0 के अप्रॉक्सीमेट मिलेगा, 0 फाइंड आउट होगा. दैट्स व्हाई वी गेट 0. Next, look here. So how you can learn this value? ये देखो यहाँ भी ये अपोजिट हो गया, यहाँ इनफाइनाइट यहाँ हो गया, रूट 3 यहाँ आ गया, 1 ये हुआ, and this is becomes here and that is here. Okay, so cot 0 not defined, cot 30 root 3, tan 60 root 3, right now. And cot 45 1, tan 45 is also 1. Cot 60 is equal to tan 30, that is 1 upon root 3. Cot 90 0, that is tan 0. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. अब ये cos के वैल्यूज का रेसिप्रोकल हमको करना होगा. 1 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा 1 होगा, करेक्ट. रूट 3 अपॉन 2 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा 2 अपॉन रूट 3. and reciprocal of 1 upon root 2 will be square root of 2, and reciprocal of 1 upon 2 will be 2, and reciprocal of 0 not defined. Correct ना? Again we got not defined, undefined value. ये देखो not defined फाइंड आउट होगा, इसको हम क्या नोट कर सकते हैं, इनफाइनाइट या नॉट डिफाइंड. सो दिस वी गॉट नॉट डिफाइंड. ओके, सो दैट नेक्स्ट वन once again see here, ये sec के लिए फाइंड आउट हो गया रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ cos की वैल्यूज का रेसिप्रोकल. तो cos का लर्न करके हम sec नोट कर सकते हैं. cosec थीटा and cosec theta, and cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So cosec 0 reciprocal of 0, that is 1 upon 0. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, not defined. right now not defined value, जिसको हम यहाँ पे infinite नोट कर सकते हैं. cosec 30 is equal to 1 upon sin 30, that is 2 reciprocal. Its reciprocal root 2, and its reciprocal 2 upon root 3, and next 1 sin 91, so cosec 90 1 upon 1, that is 1. so okay, तो ये इसके रेसिप्रोकल से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट सेक और कोसेक का भी आपस में समझो. ये 2 इनफाइनाइट, यहाँ इनफाइनाइट हुआ, 2 ये 2 रूट 2 रूट 2, 2 अपॉन रूट 3 2 अपॉन रूट 3 1 1. सिमिलरली साइन कॉस, ये tan कॉट भी ऐसे अपोजिट करके सेक कोसेक फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. सो बाय learning these two, if you by heart these two sin, the value of sin theta, only sin if you learn, then you can make the value of cos theta only by using this one. Then second last at the second पे होगा, थर्ड के प्लेस पे होगा सेम, फोर्थ यहाँ मिला, फिफ्थ यहाँ हो गया. ओके, tan sin by cos का रेशियो लेकर के हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. cot रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ tan, and sec रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ cos, and cosec रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ sin. So by hurting the values of particular values of sin theta only, you can make the other by yourself. So try to make this table 2-3 times by yourself, then you will learn this value. After that you will understood the value, how can you find out, how can you use. Okay, so and in next class I will explain how can we understood this value, how can we get this value. Sometime it comes also to prove that this value. So in next class, because so today I will explain the some question based on it, how you can solve the question based on it. So you need to remember these values. After that I will explain how can you solve the question from this exercise, like exercise 8.2. okay, so some question from the exercise 8.2, and exercise 8.2 is given. Exercise 8.2 first question, suppose we want to solve. So it is given, evaluate the value of sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus cos 60 degree into sin 30 degree. Okay, so much simple to solve this exercise by putting the value. So for that you need to learn this value. So try to learn by yourself, don't copy every time. So learn these values, then you will put sin 60, you need to remember this value. What is the value? root 3 upon 2. Then cos 30 is equal to sin 60, दोनों का सेम वैल्यू होता है. cos 60 1 upon 2, sin 30 1 upon 2. okay, ये root 3 upon 2 into root 3 upon 2, what is 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4. what we get? 3 plus 1 by 4, that is 4 upon 4. देखो ये 1 आ गया. so much easy. okay, we got it 1. next if I will explain its third part, फर्स्ट का ये फर्स्ट पार्ट था. नेक्स्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट्स थर्ड पार्ट. एंड व्हाट इज गिवन? इवैल्यूएट द वैल्यू ऑफ cos 45 डिवाइडेड बाय sec 30 प्लस cosec 30. okay, so what is cos 45? okay, once again I am going to tell you, you need to learn the value. cos 45, what is cos 45? 1 upon root 2. what is 1 upon root 2 divided by sec 30, you know, remember sec 30, 2 upon root 3, and cosec 30 2. so it is 1 upon root 2 divided by, take here the LCM. what is LCM? root 3. so root 3 is the LCM, you can get it. otherwise you can take 2 as a common also. then what we will get, it can be written, LCM टेक किया हमने 1 upon root 3 plus 1. तो देखो यहाँ हो गया root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. okay, so it is equal to 1 upon root 2 into what can we write? How can we write it? Root 3 upon, right now? So this can be written root 3 upon 2 into root 3 plus 1. तो देखो ये फाइंड आउट हुआ root 3 upon 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. But mostly we are giving the answer in rational form. ये rational form में हमको convert करना होगा. So how can you change it in the rational form? You can change it by root 3 upon 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. तो सबसे पहले ये जो root 2 है ना, इसको change करना होगा. How can you change this root 2? By multiplying root 2. तो पहले root 2 से multiply करना है. You need to multiply by root 2. After multiplying by root 2, so after multiplying by root 2, as you multiply by the root 2, so you will get it. Now what you will get it? So after multiplying by root 2, you will find out that what is root 2 upon root 2 into किससे multiply करना होगा? root 3 plus 1, इसका conjugate क्या हुआ? root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 से multiply and divide करो. So what you will get it ना? देखो अभी ये हुआ root 3 into root 2, that is root of 6 into root 3 minus 1 divided by which it is divided? So it is divided by root 2 into root 2 2. तो ये देखो 2 into root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. तो देखो ये हुआ root 6 into root 3 minus 1 upon 4 into 2 8. So that is root 6 into root 3 minus 1 upon 8. So this is the answer of this third question. First it's third part. Next question number, I will explain its fifth part also. Fifth part of 1. First it's fifth part. So fifth part of that is 2, that is given. Evaluate the value of 5 cos square 60. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree upon sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Okay, look it. Now we need to solve that. To solve this, if you remember, I have explained what is meaning of cos square theta. Its meaning is cos theta into cos theta. इसका मतलब होगा 5 into cos 60 the whole square. What is the value of cos 60? 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 the whole square. Plus 4 sec 30. Sec 30. What is cos 30? Root 3 upon 2. So sec 30, 2 upon root 3 because it's reciprocal. So 2 upon root 3 the whole square. Minus tan 45 1. देखो ये 1 का square. Upon sin square, sin 30, 1 upon 2 the whole square. Plus cos 30, root 3 upon 2 the whole square. So afterwards, students, I will explain one identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So at the place of this, directly you can write 1 because अगर ये theta same हो और sin square theta plus cos square theta always क्या होता है 1. So here you will get 1 only. Okay, so that is 5. Okay, so you have not seen that. So once again I will show to you, that is the values. Okay, so I have put it only the values here. अभी हमने सिर्फ value बोला है जो कि हमने just pronounced it also. 5 into what is 1 upon 2 square? 1 upon 4 plus 4 into 2 square 4 upon 3 हुआ minus 1 हुआ upon 1 upon 2 square 1 upon 4 plus root 3 upon 2, that is 3 by 4 is equal to, ये हो गया 5 by 4 plus 4 into 4, that is 16. 16 by 3 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Correct na? So you will get it. Next step. तो यहाँ न्यूमरेटर में हम एलसीएम लेते हैं. व्हाट इज एलसीएम? 12 एलसीएम हो सकता है. सो 12, इफ आई विल टेक द 12 एलसीएम, सो यहाँ देखो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 15 प्लस 16 इंटू 4 64 माइनस 12 अपॉन 12 हुआ डिवाइडेड बाई 4 बाई 4 हुआ. करेक्ट ना? इज इक्वल टू ये देखो 15 से 12 माइनस करो 3, 64 प्लस 3, दैट इज 67 डिवाइडेड बाई 12. So this is the answer of this question, 67 by 12. And look the question number 2. What is given in question number 2? Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option and justify your answer. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन वैल्यूज पुट करके और उसमें चेक करना है और our answer we need to justify. Okay, so that is I will explain its first part. Question number 2, its first part. So look, what is the first part of question number 2? Its first part. It is given 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So 2 into tan 30. Put the value of tan 30, 1 upon root 3. 1 plus tan square means 1 upon root 3 the whole square. We will find out what 2 into 1 upon root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 upon 3, that is 2 into 1 upon root 3 upon 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Correct now? So that is 2 upon root 3 into 3 upon 4. होगा? So that cancel हुआ. 3 upon 2 root 3. You can rationalize. If otherwise you can cancel. 3 से root 3 अगर cancel करें तो यहाँ root 3 होगा. root 3 upon 2. We got root 3 upon 2. अब ये root 3 upon 2 किसके equal है? So here are the so many options is given. Sin 60 root 3 upon 2 होता है. So it is equal to sin 60. So which part is correct answer? A part. So A part is the correct answer. Right now, so it's A part is the correct answer. Similarly, you can check its second and also you can check its third. So here it is given. Third is given. I will explain third part. What is given in third part? Look it. It is given that if sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true for which value of a? Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true for when a? What is a? If suppose I will put here 30, so 32 is 60, अभी 60 हो गया, sin 60 root 3 upon 2 and 2 into sin 30, 2 into 1 upon 2 equal नहीं होगा. So ऐसे different किसके लिए true हो सकता है? You can think it. किसके लिए true हो सकता है? It is true only for 0. 0 put करोगे यहाँ sin 0 and this is also sin 0 is 0. So that is only true for a equal to 0 degree के लिए true होगा. For which a equal to 0 degree. Okay. So in this way you can complete, you can solve the question number 2. I will explain next third question of this exercise also. Question number 3. Question number 3. What is given question number 3? If tan a plus b. Third question. If tan a plus b is equal to, if tan a plus b is given equal to root 3. What is root 3? And tan a minus b is equal to tan a minus b is given equal to 1 upon root 3, where what a plus b is strictly greater than 0 and smaller than 90 degree and a greater than b, then find the values of a and b. So how can we solve this type of question, students? So there are some more questions given in examples, so you need to try that questions also. I will explain here this question. Tan a plus b is equal to root 3. Now think, what is root 3 is the value of for which angle of tan? tan की किस एंगल के लिए वैल्यू होता है? तो ये जो root 3 है ना, this root 3. So root 3 is in the case of tan में किसके लिए होता है? It is the value of tan 60 degree. At the place of root 3, I can put tan 60. देखो ये हुआ tan 60 degree is equal to tan a plus b. अभी देखो a plus b का सम 90 से सम है, less है. a plus b less than 90. It's means these angles are acute. और इस केस में tan a plus b is equal to tan 60. इसका मतलब a plus b must be equal to 60. So from here I can find out that a plus b is equal to 60 degree and make the first equation. Okay. Similarly, tan a minus b is given. Tan a minus b. What is given? 1 upon root 3. Now here 1 upon root 3. अब ये जो 1 upon root 3 होता है, this is the value of tan 30 degree. इसके लिए वैल्यू होता है tan 30. Since 1 upon root 3 is equal to क्या होता है? tan 30 degree. So I can put here tan 30 is equal to क्या हुआ? tan a minus b. So what is a minus b? Therefore a minus b is equal to 30 degree. This is second. So we got this is the second equation. So two equations we got it. Now we need to solve these both equations, first or second. कैसे equations है? Linear equation of two variable. So I hope all of you can solve that. So solve it. How can you solve? By elimination method से करना है. Add कर दो. देखो minus b plus b cancel होगा. ऐड कर लिया, क्या मिला, ट्वाइस ऑफ ए प्लस बी माइनस बी कैंसिल इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. सो व्हाट इज a इक्वल टू 90 by 2 इक्वल टू 45 डिग्री. So if a, so this value if I will put in the first equation, a के प्लेस पे मैंने रखा 45 plus b is equal to 60 degree, correct ना. 45 plus b is equal to 65. So b is equal to 60 minus 45, correct na. So how much, 15 degree. How much, 15 degree. So a is 45 and we got that 15 degree. B is equal to 15 degree. So this way you can solve the question number 3. So there are some more questions like example number 8. So this is the homework for you. Try example number 8 based on that ना. इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन है example number 8 में. if you look it, so this type of the question is given in example number 8. So you need to try this question. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b. How can you justify? So put the values of a and b. कुछ इसके लिए हम particular values put करेंगे और उसके according हम इसको justify करेंगे. Some values you can put and then you can justify your answer. So any value, कोई भी हम particular value put करके इसको हम justify कर सकते हैं. Like suppose I will put a plus b. जैसे हमको first इसका verify करना है whether sin a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b or not. तो any value you can put, right ना. Suppose करो जिसके सम की वैल्यू भी हमको मालूम है ऐसा वैल्यू रखना है. लाइक आई हैव पुट इट 30 plus 60. ओके, तो sin 30 plus 60 पहले हम LHS सॉल्व करते हैं. हाउ मच, sin 90 and what is sin 90, we got 1. so look it, sin 90 1. अभी देखो ये sin 90 हमको 1 फाइंड आउट हुआ. तो नेक्स्ट RHS पार्ट हम सॉल्व करते हैं. RHS पार्ट, व्हाट इज RHS? RHS is sin A and sin 30 plus sin B sin 60. What is sin 30? What is sin 60? Root 3 upon 2. So how much you got? 1 plus root 3 by 2. Is it equal? LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore it is not correct, right now. So this one is not true. So I have justified our answer also. ये सिर्फ 0 plus 0 रखोगे, A और B को सेम रखेंगे देन तो करेक्ट हो सकता है. मे बी पॉसिबल, राइट ना. उस केस में हो सकता है, अदर केस में नहीं होगा. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Have you seen it? तो ये 0 से 90 के बीच में अगर हम थीटा इंक्रीज करते हैं, इंक्रीज होता है क्योंकि sin 0 0, sin 30 1 upon 2, sin 45 1 upon root 2, sin 60 root 3 upon 2, sin 90 1. So in this way you can verify. Cos A is not defined if A equal to 0. Are you? It is correct? No. Cos A 0 पे क्या होता है? 1. Correct ना? So go through the video and understood properly. If anywhere problem you can ask to me. Next day I will give the proof of these particular values like sin 30, sin 60, sin 45, sin 90, sin 0, how we are getting these values. Okay, so today, so you need to complete exercise 8.2 and also examples related to this exercise. Okay, thank you, and if any doubt you can ask to me.